fair share ng heartbreaks. Na ako'y relationship sa una, tapos na-fall out of love siya sa buwan. But then, isa na sa pinakasakit na heartbreak mo, parang fall out of love. Yung sa book, how do I move on from this? Saan na po eh. But then, I realized, buti na lang bigyan ko rin. I met KZ. Then, it all made sense. But ito bigyan ko na ito. Na-meet ng wife ko. So, ako happy ko nga Bisaya Adiritangan because I have a Bisaya song na ang tawag dyan nila. As much as I can, I do my best to sing Bisaya songs sa Manila, sa ubang gigs na mo. It's time that they also listen to our native, our mother tongue. So, very special. When I talk about timing, in Bisaya, we actually have a very special word for that. And I have a song for that. In God's time. In Bisaya, very special. We call it Kaya.